In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video on Vimeo in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest creation or just want to share a memorable moment, Vimeo makes it easy to get your content out to the world. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to visit Vimeo's webpage, vimeo.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login option, usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that and enter your credentials to gain access to your account. If you're not yet a member, you'll need to sign up by following the prompts provided on their login page. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the video you want to share. Navigate to your video library or dashboard where you manage your uploads. Click on the specific video you wish to share. Doing this will open the video's page or editor, giving you a full view and control over your video options. Once your video is open and visible, look for the share button. This button is typically represented by a paper plane icon. It's often placed at the top right corner of the video or the editor page. The share option is your gateway to broadcasting your content effortlessly. Clicking the share button will bring up a pop-up window. Here you'll find several options for sharing your video, but what we're interested in is the video's URL. Simply click on the option that says copy link. This action copies the direct URL of your video to your computer's clipboard. It's a handy feature that ensures you don't have to manually select and copy the web address yourself. Now that you have the link copied, you can paste it wherever you wish to share it. Perhaps you want to send it in an email to a friend, drop it into a group message chat, or post it on your social media accounts. Simply use your paste function, usually Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, to drop your link into a text field anywhere online or in your communication channels. Finally, it's important to note that once the link is shared, anyone who clicks it can view your video. This is of course dependent on your video's privacy settings. So, if your video's privacy settings allow public access via link, your friends, family, or audience will be able to enjoy your video seamlessly. And there you have it, you've shared your Vimeo video with just a few clicks. Sharing on Vimeo is straightforward and a fantastic way to connect with others, showcase your work, and engage with your audience on a bigger scale. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.